Hey friend, it's Octavia Klein. Welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to talk about, is it important to do reels in order to gain more followers on Instagram? And I'm here to tell you, yes. Okay. And here's why. Okay. So yes, it is definitely important to create reels and to definitely follow the trends. I've heard lately that it's great to do some trending videos as well as some original content and do quite like a mix of both. But today I'm just going to talk about trending reels and how, like, basically my process to create trending reels and why I think that they are important. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a good old thumbs up and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you're somebody who is new to Instagram, I have a really awesome freebie for you below. I have actually quite a few great freebies below, but one is your Instagram Reels cheat sheet. So this little cheat sheet guide will show you what all the buttons do in Reels. So if you just need like a little cheat sheet on the side, just to be like, okay, what button am I supposed to push next? You can grab that free guide below. So here's why it's important to create Reels in order to gain more followers. So recently I did just a regular post, just a picture post, and I'm going to show you on here. On this post right here, I can push view insights, and you will see that this reached 237 people. Okay. 226 of them were my current followers, and only 11 were non-followers. Okay. So let's go to a trending reel I did. So this is a trending reel I did with the trending sound, and let's view the insights on it. It reached 330 accounts, 217 of my own following, and 113 non-followers. So definitely better to do the trending reels. Now, I think one of these here, let me look at this one. I don't think this one I did. This is not a trending. So it only went to 28 non-followers. This reel was not a trender one. Okay. But I believe this one was definitely a trending reel. And let's view the insights of it. It reached 160 non-followers. Okay, this one's been around a little bit longer. We've reached 411 accounts altogether. But just let me just say this. So I have over 700 followers right now at the time of recording this video. Hopefully by the time you're watching it, I have a whole bucket more. But right now, that's how many I have. I'm growing on Instagram. And out of my 700 people, not it didn't reach everybody. This is probably one of my more viral videos. It only reached 411 accounts. So just know that this is a long game, and like, it's all about the algorithm. You got to play that algorithm correctly, and Reels is the best way to get the algorithm to push you out to new followers and more people. And trending is how to do it. Okay, so here's how we're going to find a trending reel. I'm going to go over to my home, and I'm just going to look for, let's look at this. I love this chick right here, but I'm going to just look at her music. Okay, so I'm going to hit the music button here. And right now you can see at the top, it says this is it has 65,000 reels. So this is not really, this trend might be over. Okay. So usually it actually says if it's a trending sound or not. So let's check out, this one is a trending sound. It's Taylor Swift. It's trending right now. It says right there, trending, only 2,307 reels. So what I would do with this is at the top right, you'll see this little flag right here. And you're just going to push that. And when you push that flag, that's going to save that into my saved music. So then when I go down here, I'm going to push this button right here on the bottom, the plus sign, and I am going to pretend to make a reel, right? So I'm going to grab this video. It wants me to try a sticker. Not now. We're teaching right now. We're not doing stickers. Okay. So I'm going to hit done, and then I'm going to tap up here on the music icon. And in here, there is saved at the top. So you see saved, and now that Taylor Swift song is in there, and I could actually put it with this video. So this is part of my process when I am creating a trending reel. So number one, I set a timer for myself, and I scroll through Instagram. I find sound bites that I like or that align with my niche. So I don't want to do anything that's out of alignment. Sometimes you try to recreate something that's trending, but it really doesn't go with your niche. And it doesn't feel authentic. So I definitely try to do things that I feel are authentic, that I can recreate with my own niche, with my own vibe. And then I think of those things. So I keep those saved in here. So then what I do is, now that I've got all of my saved songs in there, I kind of write down ideas that go along with each song. Maybe for me, I'm doing fashion on Instagram, so maybe I'll create a shot list of the outfits that I want to do. Maybe I create a shot list for if I'm going to do some transitions in the video or something like that. But I create a full shot list for the video first. Then the day of, I record it. I create my scripts for it. Maybe, sometimes I just have some B-roll in my camera too, which makes things a lot easier. So if you're already dressed for the day, just like this video here, this is just some B-roll of me working at my desk. So when I'm already dressed up, set up my tripod, get some B-roll of me at my desk. So I'll have those already saved in my phone for creating a trending reel. Another pro tip is I keep things in a little bit of a database, which is my notes on my phone. So when ideas pop in my head, or let's say I'm doing a late night scroll, let's just be real. Maybe I'm doing a late night scroll and ideas pop in my head. I'll save the trend and then I'll create a note in my phone under notes and just say, hey, do this trend, this song with this outfit, or this song with by my computer, or whatever it is, right? So that's another like kind of pro tip, because ideas come to you all the time, and if you don't write them down, you go to shoot something and you're like, what am I going to do? Like you're at a loss, right? So these are just some little tips. So saving those trending audios, you can go back through them later and figure out what you're going to do with them, or as you're saving trending audio, you can just make a little note in your little database on your phone. It says, I'm going to use this trend with this. And just remember, with all of this growing on Instagram, creating reels, consistency is the key. Don't post and ghost. The more consistent you are, the more you're going to see growth. And I wish you luck. If you need my help, you can always book a coaching call with me, and you can find that link below. Again, I have some really great freebies in the comments section below. And if you want my free Instagram guide, that is also below as well. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.